Hey, what's up, guys? This is a unique closing here. This is how I guess you do closings during the coronavirus. This is what we call a drive-by refi. Follow me. We're gonna do the closing at their car because they don't want to come in. Come on.
How you doing, man?
Nice to meet you, man. I got you guys some hand sanitizers and copies of the stuff, okay?
Appreciate it.
All right, and then he's gonna call you on the cell phone. Yeah, I'm gonna go make copies right now. Okay. All right, and then he'll get you taken care of, okay? All right. Check this out. Our first ever drive-by refi. We have the client in the black truck, and we have the closer in the silver SUV. They are literally doing the closing by phone, going through each document. They both have a copy, and they're going line by line via phone because of the coronavirus, because we can't all be in the same room. This is crazy, but this is how we get loans closed in 2020.
I don't know if it'll fit, and I don't know if the kiddos want to play with the balloons or not, or we can take the balloons out, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, they'll play with them.
Stay safe.
Yeah, you guys
It's a small world. I appreciate it. Just hit us if you need anything.
Okay, we'll
Okay.
do.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
Thank you.
Well, guys, that was our first ever drive-by refi. My clients just got done closing. I helped them refinance their house. I helped them lower their interest rate and lower their monthly payment. We're here. We can help you guys. We're still closing people that are looking to buy and people that are looking to refinance. Hit us up, 703-856-4412. Stay safe.